Half a century. Bringing history back to life. "500 volunteers with priceless passion and countless smiles along the way. This is the South Devon Railway. Now we're inviting you to join us on the next stage of our journey. We have now entered our second half-century, and our heritage infrastructure is in need of heavy investment. For a limited time, the South Devon Railway is offering you the chance to buy community shares. This is a unique opportunity to invest in your very own piece of railway history, and it will help us to raise the capital we need to ensure our historic branch line railway can survive and thrive into the future. We see exciting possibilities that would strengthen our railway, including a new building for carriage repairs, locomotive restoration, and the completion of our running and maintenance buildings to house our precious heritage fleet. We see opportunities to improve the experience we give to our visitors, new welcome facilities at Buckfast-Lee, and an upgraded station museum. We have a chance to become more sustainable in the years ahead by using our new buildings to generate solar power for our light and heating, and landscaping our sites to encourage biodiversity. The South Devon Railway Community Share Offer, with your support, will enable us to pursue these tantalising possibilities and turn them into a bright, sustainable future for our railway. We have already been working hard to ensure the South Devon Railway is ready for the next stage of its journey. We've restructured our business with the formation of South Devon Railway Limited, a charitable community benefit society by which our engineering and catering subsidiaries are run. We have strengthened our governance with a new management structure supported by professional people who are both passionate about the railway and highly experienced in their fields. We have agreed and signed a long lease on the land and buildings with the South Devon Railway Trust. All this enables different parts of our organisation to work together, better than ever before, to deliver our charitable objectives safely, to manage our finances effectively, and to run our projects efficiently. By investing in the South Devon Railway, not only will you help us to achieve a bright future, you will enjoy the exclusive package of benefits we have designed for our community shareholders. You'll be invited to ride on the annual members train, and you'll receive a warm welcome at the reception. You'll receive 2 return tickets every year for the full length of the line. And you'll enjoy a 10% discount in the refreshment rooms and the gift and model shop at Buckfast-Lee. You'll receive quarterly issues of the South Devon Railway magazine and a monthly members newsletter. You can look forward to exclusive shareholder events, and you'll have a say in the governance of the society through voting at the AGM and other meetings. For more information on our community shares, what they are, terms and conditions, and how to buy them, visit southdevonrailway.co.uk and download our brochure. You can request a brochure by emailing shares@southdevonrailway.co.uk or write to Shares, South Devon Railway, The Station, Buckfast-Lea, Devon, TQ11 ODZ. This unique and exciting opportunity will be open until May 2024. We hope you'll join us on our journey.